Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.
If you have seen anyone share requests for Remdesivir on social media and you're wondering why there is such a demand for this drug, this is the reason. Remdesivir is an antiviral drug that is being prescribed to COVID-19 patients. It is one of the key drugs in the treatment of the disease, although it was said last year that the drug appeared to have little to no effect in hospitalized COVID-19 patients. However, it did show some success in battling the SARS-CoV-2 virus and so is being prescribed for patients who contract the infection. Now, Remdesivir was widely discussed during the first wave of the pandemic. When the first wave receded, drug manufacturers scaled down the production as demand dropped by the early months of 2021. In fact, for the last 3 months, production has been zero, as per a report in the Indian Express. Cipla, Mylan, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Hetero Healthcare, Jubilant Generics, and Zydus Cadila were among the companies that received permission to produce and supply the drug in India. Some of them were left with huge stockpiles of the drug in January, but amid dwindling cases, they even had to destroy expired stocks of the medicine. Now the government has asked the manufacturers to scale up production to full capacity. As per reports, the cycle from production to transportation of Remdesivir can take 20 to 25 days. And production only ramped up to an extent in March, even as cases were on the uptick since February. It will probably be another week until fresh stocks of Remdesivir hit the markets. The centre has now flagged the irrational use of the drug, asking doctors to prescribe it only for patients on oxygen. Doctors clarified Remdesivir is an investigational drug sent to hospitals and cannot be sold at pharmacies for use in the home setting, which they said was unethical. Last week, huge queues were seen outside drug stores in many places where people were waiting to purchase the drug.